once again.
Hi everyone, just a short tutorial on how to transfer your Tron into your Binance, and from your Binance using Tron to buy LTC. So here we have $119 that we're going to transfer. So we are going to go into Binance, and we are going to find click on deposit. Then we are going to type up the top, and if not, go on the side here, go down the bottom here, and on the side there are letters. Go to T, try and find Tron, copy your Tron address, go back to your Tron wallet, go to send, put in 100%, next, copy and paste your address, and we're going to send. Enter your password, wait for the transaction to be successful. It has now been submitted to the network. Flick this down and it should be empty. It should be on the way. We're going to go out of here. Here we go. We have now received our Tron. Okay, so with this Tron, we are now going into trades. From trade, we are going to convert Tron. We're going to max out the Tron. We have 4,128 Tron. We are converting it to 0.75 LTC. So here we have sitting in LTC 0.75. I'm just going to keep it. We're going to go to Trust Wallet. Okay, so I suggest to go and get your LTC wallet address out of your Trust Wallet, and then go back to Binance. Click on LCT in Binance and withdraw. Withdraw is submitted. It may take a while for it to be fully completed and able to see in your wallet. So we'll refresh here. We shouldn't see no LTC in there. Once you see it disappeared, then check your Trust Wallet. Don't be freaked out if you don't see it in your Trust Wallet. Awesome. Thank you.